Welcome to the future, where robots are not just machines on assembly lines, but life-saving surgeons and master chefs. In this episode of Digital Butterfly, we'll dive deep into the incredible world of robot surgeons and cooks, exploring their current capabilities and the breathtaking innovations just on the horizon. Let's start with robot surgeons. One of the most well-known systems today is the Da Vinci robot, a marvel of medical technology. Unlike traditional heart bypass surgery, which requires a foot-long incision, the Da Vinci robot uses only a few tiny cuts. Why is this revolutionary? Traditional surgery can be risky. Long incisions mean a higher chance of infection, intense pain during recovery, and lasting scars. But with robotic arms, controlled by a surgeon sitting at a console, precision becomes almost superhuman. These robotic arms have such precision that they can perform complex surgeries with micro-movements far steadier than a human hand could ever achieve, even after hours of operation. Surgeons no longer have to battle fatigue, and the robot doesn't tremble under pressure. And this isn't a glimpse into a distant future, it's happening right now. Over 800 hospitals across Europe and the Americas use the Da Vinci system, performing tens of thousands of surgeries each year. But the future pushes this even further. Imagine a world-class surgeon in New York performing a complex operation on a patient in a remote village in Africa, all through the internet. Remote robotic surgery could bring expert healthcare to even the most isolated corners of the world. And there's more. The next generation of robots will tackle the impossible, performing surgery on microscopic blood vessels and nerve fibers. Tiny endoscopes thinner than a thread and micro machines, smaller than the period at the end of this sentence, will revolutionize non-invasive surgery. In one memorable Star Trek episode, Dr. McCoy was horrified that 20th century doctors still had to cut skin to perform surgery.
Now put away your butcher knives and let me save this patient before it's too late.
Well, the day when non-invasive surgery becomes the norm is almost here. Training future doctors will also change. Instead of cutting real flesh, students will practice surgery on 3D virtual bodies with robot-assisted simulations that mimic real-life scenarios. This ensures a level of accuracy and confidence that was unimaginable before. But robots aren't only saving lives, they're also making dinner. In Japan, robot chefs are stepping into the kitchen, transforming fast food with precision and speed. Meet the Ice robot chef, capable of cooking noodles in just 1 minute and 40 seconds and serving up to 80 bowls a day. Built with industrial-grade robotic arms, these machines work just like their counterparts on car assembly lines, except instead of welding metal, they're tossing salad, adding spices, and assembling sandwiches. And this is just the beginning. Today's robot chefs look like mechanical arms emerging from countertops, but the future is set to bring more human-like designs, chefs that talk, take orders, and adapt recipes on the spot. Cooking is another task that robots are starting to master. Robot chefs, like Molly, can prepare gourmet meals from scratch using AI-powered recipes. These kitchen assistants can chop, stir, and even plate dishes with precision, bringing restaurant-quality meals straight to your table. And it doesn't stop there. Smart kitchens will work in sync with robot chefs, scanning your groceries and recommending meal ideas based on what's inside your fridge. Need more eggs? Your fridge will order them automatically. Imagine a kitchen where AI-powered robot chefs not only cook meals but personalize them based on your health. Need less salt? More protein? These robotic chefs will tailor every dish to your exact requirements, ensuring a perfect balance of taste and nutrition. From saving lives in the operating room to serving piping hot meals in bustling restaurants, robots are seamlessly blending into our world. The question is, how far will they go? And are we ready for a future where machines not only work for us, but with us? Robots doing chores, the future of smart living. Imagine waking up to a spotless home, a fresh cup of coffee, and breakfast already prepared, without lifting a finger. Welcome to the future, where robots are transforming household chores. One of the most common robotic assistants today is the smart vacuum. Devices like Roomba and Roborock use advanced sensors and AI to map out your home, navigate obstacles, and clean every corner, all while you relax. But the next generation of cleaning bots will do much more than just vacuum. Say goodbye to scrubbing floors and windows. Robotic mops and window cleaners are now equipped with AI to detect dirt levels and adjust their cleaning intensity. Future versions may even be able to detect spills in real time and respond instantly. Laundry, a time-consuming chore we all deal with. But what if a robot could handle everything? Innovations like the Foldimate and Laundroid are paving the way for fully automated laundry systems, washing, drying, and folding your clothes without any effort from you. The future promises even more efficiency, with AI-powered machines that recognize fabric types and customize washing cycles accordingly. Stepping outside, yard work is another area where robots are taking over. Robotic lawnmowers use GPS and AI to maintain your garden, trimming grass with precision and even learning the best cutting patterns for your lawn. Soon, these bots will be able to plant flowers, water plants, and detect unhealthy patches of grass. But perhaps the most life-changing robotic helpers are those designed for caregiving. These robots assist the elderly and disabled by performing daily tasks like fetching items, reminding them to take medication, and even providing companionship. With AI advancements, these robots will become even more intuitive, responding to emotions and adapting to individual needs. From life-saving surgeries to preparing a gourmet meal and keeping our homes spotless, robots are transforming the way we live. These intelligent machines are not just tools, they are becoming trusted assistants, enhancing our efficiency, safety, and even creativity. But as we welcome them into our lives, one question remains: how far will we let them go? Will they remain our helpers, or will they one day make decisions on our behalf? The future of robots is not just about technology, it's about us and the choices we make. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe to Digital Butterfly for more futuristic tech insights. Stay curious, stay inspired, and let's keep exploring the technology of tomorrow.